there's a few things that are going to matter to you when it comes to the changes that are happening in the economy. So, number one, here's the one thing I've seen. People are pulling that mattress money out now. People that were hiding their money, and there were billions of dollars that were hidden, now all of a sudden they're feeling a little more confident. They're investing in stock market, they're investing in real estate. I'll show you some examples of that and how you can take advantage of that. But the market is changing faster than ever before. By the way, it's not just because of the White House. Things have been getting a little better. Those of you that have been on our Inner Circle calls, I've been giving you a lot of warnings here lately about where the real estate market is going to go as a whole. We know that it's getting ready to drop. It's already started in many of your markets. How many of you have seen a little bit of a slowing in your real estate market? Raise your hands. Look around the room, guys. Raise your hands nice and high if you've seen a slowing in your real estate market. So it's not just your market. Everybody I talk to, they'll say, well, Greg, here in my area is a little different because the market's slowing down. No, it's not. That's the country. Everybody I talk to, I'm on the phone all day long, every single day with our agents. We know what's going on in the marketplace. Homes have not only kind of been a little stagnant on prices, they've actually went down a little bit, and we're starting to run into problems with appraisal. Right? So this is a real issue that we need to be aware of. The advantage is as we go up the ladder, the affluent customers are the least affected by economical issues. Do you agree? They don't care that the rates went up. What's that? Like, a lot of them are cash anyway, so that doesn't affect them. That affects the people that are getting priced out of the lower end market. So they were going to buy a home for $200,000 or $300,000, whatever it is in your market, and they got priced out because the rates went up. So one of the best ways to insulate yourself against this rising and lowering tide of the real estate market is to focus more on the luxury end, because obviously they're the least affected. They can make choices, and most generally they don't make choices based on money, right? If you say, well, here's our average deal and here's our high-end deal, they'll say, well, give me the high one. I don't know what it is. It's just got to be better, and that's who I am as a person. It's a direct reflection on who they are as a person, right? So that's why many of you have heard me say before, the Louis Vuitton bags. That's why they put the logos on the outside, not the inside, right? It's how it makes them feel when they carry it. Amanda convinced me to pay $2,800 for a freaking bag. Well, like, if you buy the bag, you won't have any money to put inside the bag. Like, I use logic. She uses emotion. No, I'll feel very pretty if I buy this bag, right? Like, what's wrong with a Larry Vuitton? I see Larry Vuittons online for $50. It still says LV, right? But you got to know why people buy. As a matter of fact, very few times will you find that a luxury home has been purchased because of need. It's usually because of want. It's a trophy house. You guys agree? Nobody needs a Rolls Royce. You don't need a $425,000 car. You need it because of the way it makes you feel. It helps you to feel successful. Which, by the way, if you've ever upgraded to a first-class airfare, you feel better, don't you? Right? You feel like, wow, I deserve this. I've worked really hard, right? They like to reward themselves when they can, and I want to show you why that's such an opportunity for us, especially as the market is starting to change. Money is coming out of hiding. We're seeing it all over. And by the way, it's not just nationally, it's international, right? So a lot of our agents, even right here in this room, have been working with people from China, from Europe, from Australia, from Brazil. Tim, how many clients have you guys picked up from Brazil here lately? Five clients from Brazil buying in South Florida. So, and by the way, you guys know when you get in with a niche, you get all of them.
Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully you found it incredibly helpful. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click the subscribe link so you can get notice of new videos as we get them loaded. Additionally, you'll want to check out the description of this video for some additional links that'll help you with growing your business.